Hello everyone, I'm LenaSiberian. Welcome to my channel. Today, in my first vlog, we will explore the vastness of Siberia, dive into the world of Buddhist culture, learn why old villages were abandoned, and simply enjoy the beautiful scenery. Enjoy the viewing! Early in the morning, we set out to visit a very interesting place. By the way, this is my dad. He is 65, but he always enjoys life. Our route ran along the beautiful rivers of Transbaikalia. Just listen to that river murmuring and look at the beauty. A railway passes through my village, so I'm not in such a wild part of Siberia. People here are also engaged in agriculture. We drove along a forest road for about 17 kilometers and almost reached our destination.
Это все мое родное! Это родина моя!
By the way, in the distance, you can see what remains of the village of Halarty. In Siberia, there are many abandoned or extinct villages. This is linked to a number of reforms and historical events. Imagine, at the beginning of the 20th century, more than 80% of Russia's population lived in villages. But now, we observe a very high level of urbanization. Well, there are no more collective farms, mineral extraction is not carried out everywhere, and villages are dying out. For example, in Halarty, brown coal was previously extracted, but due to its low quality, everything stopped. The village with 573 residents in 1924 decreased to 4 in 1989, and then it completely ceased to exist. Let's return to the present. Here we are, me and my father, walking among the ancient stones. Wow! Hello from Siberian forest. This is wild blackberry. This is pine on the stone.
Жирнова, типа жирнов.
Serious? Old millstones from the early 20th century. A lot of mosquitoes. Это каменный гриб?
Да нет, я такой.
Нет.
Это вообще чё?
We found this garbage and we are taking it from the forest. We are taking it out.
Скалы это что-то.
My dad said leaves it's something. Okay, it doesn't matter. I will translate later. Let's go to see the river. Пап, я знаю. Пап, тебе горячая, да, вода?
А?
Горячая вода.
Здесь?
Да.
Холодно. Сяду на пенек.
Сяду на пенек в уголок.
Ничего себе.
And here is the very stone we traveled so long to reach. Папа, тут серьезно есть рисунки древнего человека?
А это что такое? Нет, это не древнего. Но это старое. Иди посмотри.
Насколько старое?
А я не знаю. Это вообще священное место.
Сюда буряты приезжают?
Смотри.
Do you know what this inscription means? It is the magical mantra. Om Mani Padme Hum, most characteristic of Tibetan Buddhism.
Om Mani Padme Hum.
The 14th Dalai Lama explained that the mantra embodied the purity of the body, speech, and mind of the Buddha. Each of the 6 syllables in it is associated with one of the 6 realms: the realm of gods, the realm of demons, the realm of humans, the realm of animals, the realm of hungry ghosts, and the realm of hell beings. On the stone, Buddhist inscriptions coexist with Orthodox symbols. Alongside the inscription, Lord Jesus, have mercy on us all, 1913. Locals say that this inscription was made by Russian stonemasons who produced millstones. By the way, around the rock, trees and some bushes are tied with ribbons, hadaks. This is how Buddhists pay respect to the spirits of the land. However, this tradition is highly controversial and can be very harmful to the environment. So, we're coming back to our bicycles, going to have a break to eat, and after that we'll go back already. You know, it's a little bit difficult to film something, you know, when you are being eaten by mosquitoes and even your fingers, you're just keeping your camera and oh my god, and my fingers, you know, are being eaten by mosquitoes. What I can tell you guys, we are going to eat, you're going to see. let's eat. You know, in Siberia we really like cucumbers. My mom grew it. Amazing. Do you have something like that? It's very pleasant to eat when you're in the nature. Oh, let's eat. Amazingly. Amazing stones, amazing landscapes, terrible mosquitoes, very tasty cucumber. Я съела последний огурец.
Ничего страшного.
And it's forbidden to have fires now because of fires in Siberia. So we can't do it. That's why we are without fires. It's lunchtime when we are swatting away mosquitoes. With mosquitoes. It's gonna help or no? What do you think? You can use it only on clothes, you know, not on body. Very dangerous stuff. Да, пап, слышу.
Это под большие кастрюльки вот эти вот.
We are going to have tea. Капец! Кто так намусорил? You know, it's sofa. Sofa in Siberian forest. You see? Oh my god. People are everywhere.
Иришка, тоже кальций ниже.
Папа, ты что, кормишь скорлупой зверей?
Да, кто найдет.
Понятно.
Так, надо немножко посолить яичко. И вот можно скипятить. Смотри, вода уже закипела. Вася.
Ага.
О, видишь? Все, выключать надо. Закрывать. Так.
I'm going to find blackberries leaves for tea. You think pristine nature. I'm eating nuts. Nuts. You know, everything tastes so well when you're in nature. Perfect.
Ну так-то, если заварить кипятом, неохота варить-то, она же это должно же потом настояться-то.
Ну да. I'm going to try forest tea. Blackberry leaves and what else? Какие еще листья?
Ну, смородина, да, и
это-
чуть-чуть земляники.
Горячая.
Ну, попробовать просто.
Не могу.
Ну,
Горячо.
подуй, да глоточек-то сделай.
Папа, сама кружка
На-
горячая.
На кружку и подуй на край.
Я обожгусь. Ты пей. Яху! On the way back, we descended to the river. Вау,
Вот это типичная забайкальская речка.
гнезда. Потому что горная равнинная.
А как пилок падает?
There has been a lot of rain lately and the rivers are murky.
Утекает среди скал, получается. Наверное, эта речка Халярка есть.
YouTube.
Журнал «Таймс».
Журнал Times.
Вот красиво. На самом деле не так круто. Грузовиком.
На грузовике? Пап, ты что там строишь?
Новых досок и посидели.
А,
Hello.
hello.
Hello. Да,
Это дорога до этой деревни.
по которой ехать, да.
Well, that's all for now. Please support me with a like if you enjoyed this video and I would be happy to have your subscription. Bye bye and see you soon.